Hi everyone. Now we are going to download SWI prolog and install it in our system. We are going to search SWI prolog download in our Google search. You can see here. Now we are going into the first one, opening the tab in new one. And I'm going to download the latest version, that is SWI prolog 8.0 64-bit. You can see I'm agreeing to all the conditions and now I'm going to download it. It takes few time to get downloaded. Now the application is downloaded. We are going to open it. You can see in the bottom. Now we can go there and we can get the folder where the downloads is. And then now we are going to open the application to install it. Just give next. I agree. Next. And here we are going to add a shortcut to our system. Next. Now we are going to install it. It takes some time to upload the files. After uploading the files, the SWI Prolog application is installed in our computer. After this, I'll show how a SWI Prolog page looks like. And then we are going to compile Hello World. That Hello World is a basic program. I guess the files are still uploading. Yeah, it's finished now. Click finish and the installation process is over. Now we are going to the desktop, the home page. Now you can see the SW prolog. You can see this is how it looks like, and this is the code to print hello world. Right, open bracket, quotes, hello world, close the quote and close the bracket, dot m l. This is the code. See again, write hello world in quotes and bracket .ml. Thank you for watching my video with full patience. Hope you all learned how to install SWI Prolog and how to compile hello world.